What do you think about this report that suggests that now that people can get insurance, they don't have to worry about pre-existing conditions. If they don't have a job, they can still get insurance. They don't have to be wedded to their jobs. They're going to have more freedom, if you will. What do you think about this conclusion from this report?
Well, I think that, what we've always said is that Obamacare adds a cost to employment. And if you increase the cost of employing someone, you will cause unemployment. So if 2 million people won't get their jobs because of Obamacare, economists also say another million people may be prevented from getting a job because we have to manage such an enormous debt. So there's a lot of things going on that makes the economy weak, and we've got 20 million people out of work. It's a disaster out there, and we need to decide, are the president's policies working or are they not working?
I spoke earlier today with Gene Sperling, the director of the President's National Economic Council. After this report was released, listen to what he told me.
People who are working more than they want to simply for health care. Some of them will have the option of working a little less. And in terms of what the overall impact on jobs will be, I think you have to look at what the impact on productivity is, because people are healthier, working harder, having less sick days.
He's making the point that if you have health insurance, you're going to be healthier, presumably, because you'll be going to doctors, getting you're a physician, you understand that.
It doesn't necessarily equate. Now, good behavior, exercise, and diet may prevent illness. Going to the doctor doesn't necessarily prevent illness.
Well, if it can prevent an illness, if they can detect some serious illness there in an early stage and deal with it, that's going to prolong your life.
But if you look dollar for dollar and you say you spend more on health care, will we be healthier? There are some preventative illnesses, but it's not dollar for dollar, and often it isn't even correlated, to tell you the truth. Healthier behavior causes healthier people, but not necessarily spending more on health care. But really, we're missing the real point. The real point is that Obamacare is going to cause 2 million fewer people to have jobs. The huge advance and increase in our debt also costs us another million. And really, we need the opposite. We need millions of new jobs created. Instead, what we're seeing is an Obama economy with 20 million people really searching for work.